Let's make lap dip. Welcome to the Halloween edition. This is Lao raw beef salad. In my culture, this is very popular and we eat this raw or you can cook it too. Growing up, it used to freak me out, but now as an adult, I learned how to respect and appreciate my culture. I gave this a try probably when I was like 9 or 10. It was an acquired taste. I had to learn how to like it. And my mom always made me the cooked version. The grown-ups would eat this. It's actually not bad. It had like medium rare steak. Tastes like that, but even more buttery. I don't eat this often or I don't prefer it, but it's delicious. Give me a couple shots and I'll eat the whole thing. Normally when I party with my friends and family, they make this. So that being said, let's go ahead and give it a try. Do not yuck my yum, let's be respectful of culture, okay? It's a beautiful thing. We eat it with sticky rice, so it's like a finger food. So I'll grab a piece here on top of the sticky rice. I made mine extra bitter. I eat it with pepper. Ooh, spicy. I have that, and that's a piece of tripe, noodle. Okay. Long bean. Meat is just so buttery and tender. I prefer the cooked one. The cooked one is really good too. This one I eat when I'm with my friends and family. If that's on the table, I'll eat it. There's so much flavor in this. There's galanga, toasted rice powder. Alright, let's get started. First, you're gonna slice your beef. You're gonna thinly slice them, and then if you want, dice them again or mince them to smaller pieces. It's up to you. In a mixing bowl, add in your meat, followed by adding your toasted rice powder, followed by your minced kaffir lime leaves, galangal, season with MSG. Fish sauce is gonna bring the umami flavors. Fermented fish sauce padek. For texture, thinly sliced tripe or menudo, thinly sliced liver, and then your beef bile. This is gonna make it really bitter, so use more or less depending on how you like it. Mix well, followed by adding your mint, your thinly sliced scallions, cilantro, and lastly, your desired amount of chili powder. I use a lot because I like to eat very spicy. Once complete, you can enjoy this with your favorite veggies and herbs, and it goes so well with sticky rice. If you're sharing this and people are freaked out by this, you can pop in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds for it to be medium rare. A minute if you want it fully cooked. Follow for more.